Ready to boost your website's SEO without breaking a sweat? Let's create a powerful profile backlink on Trello, a project management tool you probably already use, in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Trello.com. If you don't have an account, click the Sign Up button. You can sign up with your email, Google, or Microsoft account, or whichever is easiest for you. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It might be your initials or a profile picture if you've already added one. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Visibility. This will take you to your Trello profile settings. Scroll down until you find the Bio section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll write a brief, engaging description of yourself or your company. Be sure to naturally incorporate a relevant keyword and, most importantly, your website URL. Make sure the URL is correctly formatted with HTTPS, so it becomes a clickable link. Once you've added your description and website link, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save, and that's it. You've just created a valuable profile backlink on Trello. This backlink will help improve your website's SEO, increase your online visibility, and drive more traffic to your site. Now go and get linking.